I didn't want to win this game! These things are jerks, dude! Ah, I gotta pee first.
I did it. For you, chat, I did it. Oof.
Yo, this thing has sharp talons!
Oh, I hate the delay again.
I thought it was gonna. I thought it was gonna freaking flap its wing at me, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna put it back. It's. Okay, I gotta put it away. Ah! No, chicken, please. Sharp talons. No, don't touch your wings. No.
Yeah, do a game with the chicken in your arms. Oh, that would be fucking terrible. Holy shit.
Freaking chickens, dude. Do one game with it? No, I'm not gonna do a freaking game with a chicken.
Oh my god.
Oh. Freaking dude, my heart's beating. That thing scared the freaking crap out of me, okay? They're like, they got sharp talons, man. It's gonna rip out someone's eyes.
Chicken.
What is the name of that chicken?
It's a cute chicken.
I don't know. He doesn't have a name. Little Pecker.
Wait, did I miss the chicken?
It's in my. Go to my. It's recorded.
Do a game with the chicken, you're right.
Growing up in a slum neighborhood where the crime rate is amongst the highest in the nation. think in this instance,
Name him Johan. Alright.
not to recommend that you be sent to the asylum.
His name is now Ronald Johan.
Never mind, Rip. I can't play. Fuck.
Alright, dude.
I gotta go, man. Ow. I forgot it was Sunday. Rip.
Alright, dude.
Sorry, Sev.
Alright, peace out, dog.
Get the chicken to do it with you. I'm sure the chicken will do well.
No. No. What up, Inushirex? They told me if I won the last game that I had to go get a chicken. Because I didn't think we were gonna lose. Like, we were losing our twin towers, like... Aloha Snack Bar! We were losing those towers, you know, like 9/11. And so... we won, and I had to go get the freaking chicken.
It was a beautiful time.
What we sell are hidden truths. Our territory is the mine. Our merchandise is here.
Chicken was beautiful.
Scary
After
time.
the last, you tilted after that game?
No, no, no. I would actually want to
Alright,
play
I'll
more
catch you.
games. Alright, dude. Peace.
I'll catch you later, man. I'll be watching maybe whenever.
Alright, dude. Sounds good, man.
Catch you later. Get more games in later, I guess.
Yeah, dude.
Always have to fucking go. Rip.
It's understandable.
The time difference hurts. Time difference.